Hello students, how are you? Today we're going to review what we studied in Unit 1, remember, about the life cycle of plants. And to help me, I called, that friend that I love so much, JJ. Come JJ. Hi! Yeah, I'm here! Hello everybody! Yes, Jojo, I'm going to be with the students today and I'm going to show you everything in your house, okay? I'm going to open your refrigerator to show what you have inside. I'm going to show your plants, your flowers. We are going to have a lot of fun together, right students? Yeah. Yes, we're going to learn a lot. We're going to have a lot of fun. I think DJ will help you a lot. I invited him to come to my garden to show you how my garden is. And I think you're going to learn a lot of different things, a lot of cool things. I hope you like the class today, okay, JJ? Please take good care of my students. I love them so much. Yeah, and you're going to play a lot. Play and understand about the plants and the flowers Okay, goodbye everybody. Now, JJ is going to help you, okay? Goodbye. Jojo is going to explain for you first about the parts of the plants, okay? And then we're going to talk more about that, okay? Jojo, explain to them about the parts of the plants because I think you can explain better, but after that, it's up to me. So, come on, let's go. Let's learn more about plants. Yes, JJ, the plant has many different parts, and each part has a different function or a different job to do. So let's learn about the parts of a plant. First, we have the roots. The roots are the underground part of the plant. They are like the anchor for the plant. They also take in water and nutrients from the soil. Next, we have the stem. The stem is the erect part of the plant. It bears the leaves, the buds, flowers, and fruits. It transports water and nutrients to all parts of the plant. Next, we have the leaves. Look, the leaves are so green. They are like the food factory for the plant. They are green because they have a green pigment called chlorophyll. Bud is a protuberance on the stem or branches. They enclose an immature flower or leaf. This is the most beautiful part of the plant, isn't it? The flower is the reproductive part of the plant. It has bright colors and good perfume to attract pollinators. This way the plant can reproduce by making seeds with fruits. So these are the parts of the plant. Come, let's see some parts of the plants. This plant here is so beautiful, can you see? You can see it has leaves, it has flowers. The flowers are so beautiful and attractive, aren't they? Come to see here down. Let's take a plant. As you can see, it has leaves. The leaves are green. It has stems. And it has roots. Like all living things, plants need food for energy. But unlike animals, most plants are able to make their own food. Plants use food and other nutrients to live and grow larger. Plants make food by photosynthesis. Photo means light, and synthesis means to make something. So the plants make something, they make food using sunlight. That's why the name is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis uses the energy of sunlight to change water and carbon dioxide into food. Water comes from the soil, and the carbon dioxide comes from the air. To carry out photosynthesis or to perform photosynthesis, leaves use a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is able to capture the energy of sunlight. Leaves use this energy to combine water and carbon dioxide, making food. This process gives off oxygen. Yes, the oxygen that we use to breathe. The air that we breathe, the oxygen, it comes from plants. So, if we didn't have plants, we would die. Oh my God, again, no. And again, no. We're going to die. No. We're not going to die because we have plants. So let's preserve the plants, please. If you do this, we have oxygen our whole life. Maybe you are asking a question. Teacher, why are the leaves held in the air? Why leaves don't grow under the soil, for example? Students, they need sunlight to do their job, which is to make food. We also need to understand that flowers and fruits must also be held in the air. Many flowers rely on visits from bees, butterflies, birds, or other animals to do their jobs, which is to make seeds. That's why leaves, fruits, and flowers are held in the air. So yes, students, we need plants a lot. We love plants. We need plants. They're so important. I love them. Why do you need plants so much? Because they give us food. Yes, humans and other animals eat some of the food that plants make. And we breathe the oxygen, as I said. They release oxygen to the air, and we use this oxygen to survive. So, this is my love. Jennifer, I don't love you anymore. Now I love the plants because they give me oxygen and they give me food and they give me everything I need. Okay, Jennifer? Look at this flower. Isn't it so beautiful? I love these flowers. They are so colored and beautiful and bright. But plants don't have flowers to look pretty. Their color and shape attract insects and other animals to the flower. Yes, we can see the flowers are so different. Some are pink, others are yellow. We also have white. We have So each different type of a flower, the color, the smell, you attract different kinds of pollinators. That's why we have a variety of flowers. Can you see? The flowers have different shapes. Look at the shape of this flower. Can you see? The insect can go inside this flower and take the pollen, which is inside. Yes, the insects love this flower here in Jojo's house. Let's see the parts of the flower closely. Let's see this flower. First, we can see the petals, right? These pink petals are so beautiful and bright. They attract insects to pollinate the plant. Look, there is an insect inside right now. Can you see? Oh, so cute. This insect is so cute. Oh, can you see? We have the female part of the flower. Is this part in the middle. Here at the tips, we have the stigma. Can you see? We have 5 points here. These are the stigma, the female part of the flower. And around, we have these anthers. We have the anthers and filament. They are called stamen. Can you see something yellow? Yes, JJ, we can see. Very good, very good. An orange powder. The name of this powder is pollen. So, what does the insect do? The insect takes the pollen from the anthers and then they fly to other plants. And some of this pollen falls onto the stigma, the female part of the flower. These pollen grains go down the style and they go to this part here. Let's open. Sorry, flower, but I need to open you. Here. This is the ovary. So the pollen grains go down this tube, this style, and go to the ovary. Here, the pollen grains collide into some eggs. And ta-da! These will form a seed. Yes. The flower will die, and instead of this, we're going to have a seed. Hello students, hello Jojo, hello JJ. I am Billy the bee. The most important thing that I do is to pollinate. Pollination is needed for plants to reproduce. And so many plants depend on me or other insects as pollinators. When I collect nectar and pollen from the flower of a plant, some pollen from the stamens sticks to the hairs of my body. When I visit the next flower, some of this pollen is rubbed off onto the stigma. When this happens, fertilization is possible, and the fruit carrying seeds can develop.
I am Boris the bat. Hello. I am a very important pollinator. In tropical and desert climates, I feed on the insects in the flowers as well as on the nectar and flower parts. Over 300 species of fruit depend on me for pollination. The flowers that are visible but the flowers that I can see usually open at night. They are large, pale or white, so they are easier to see at night. They are very fragrant and have lots of nectar. I will feed on the insects within the flowers as well as the nectar and flower parts. I also help disperse the seeds.
Bye students! On Thursday, you are going to receive the second part of this video and you're going to learn more about the life cycle of plants. See you!